welcome. So today I'm going to show you how you can download the PLC desktop wallet for Windows. First of all, you need to go to the just normal web page of Platincoin, that is platincoin.com, and make sure that it is in English. So here you can change the languages, so it should be English. It was English already. Right, then you just scroll down until you get to the PLC technologies. So that's here. You can see that there is a Google, the applications are at Google Play or App Store. Or you just use the yellow button here for download PLC wallet for Windows. You press the yellow button and it's going to be downloaded. Alright, so if you have managed to download, you just open your folder, open the folder, and here my firewall or the antivirus software asks me if I can, if the program can accept it, and I accept it. So if you have problems with it, maybe you have to disconnect your firewall or your. Okay, the PLC wallet appears again. You do a double click and you need to scroll down. Here it is, PLC wallet. You extract all of them. Maybe we put a test at the end for me. Extract, and here it is. It will extract now. Now you see that this folder just comes again. You do double click and we see now that that has changed. So you will see the PLC logo now, so it's filled. I do the double click and now you are asked of your computer if you need further information. You will do it, and now we have to wait just a few seconds and the PLC wallet will occur. We will just see it in a few seconds. Here it is. Okay, so you are asked if you want to have a new one. Yes, of course. You want to have a new one. And you just make up a pin code. So it needs to have 6 signs. So just take numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to do that again to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to make sure that everything was correct. Go on. That's next, and that is really important. Now we come to the transport pin code. You make it up, so it needs to be 8 signs, and that is really important. So it says here, if you lose the transport pin code, it can't be restored. So you can't just ask the PLC group, can you restore it, like a normal just password. You can't do that, so really make sure that you saved it very, very secure somewhere. Alright, so we just do, because that's a test, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You need 8 signs. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you don't lose it. Yes. Next. Alright, so now that is the most important thing here. That is your private key. So first of all it says, congratulations, you have installed the wallet, the PLC wallet successfully. And now this step is really important because that is your private key. And the person who has got the private key has got the money, you can say so. The private key is not on a server somewhere, it's not at the PLC group, it's with you. So don't lose it. You have many different possibilities to save it, to store it. First of all, print it. You can print it. You can save it somewhere. I would say, please don't save it on your computer. You could maybe save it on a USB stick. Because that is a test, I will just save it now somewhere on my computer, but don't do that. Alright, so I saved it on my computer. I made a picture with a camera that is not connected to the internet. I printed it and I was writing everything down, so I really make double and triple sure that this thing is saved. So when I'm really sure, so it says, did you print it? Did you do everything to save your transport pin and your private key? If you're really sure, just actively put that little button to the right side and you go on if you're really sure that you've got it. Okay, so needs a bit. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we see the PLC wallet. It's done, it's finished. And you can put that a bit up. No. Alright, so you see that. So there are no Platincoins in it so far because we just installed it. So again, it is really important to do that step, to install and download your wallet before you purchase your first business packs, before you buy the first business packs, because otherwise it's not working. So you need to have the PLC wallet first, and then you can buy business packs. Alright, just to make sure that the private key you saved is the correct one, we can do something I just show you. Here on the top you see a button. If you press it, you can do things like change your PIN, export your wallet somewhere, import, and here erase, skip your PLC wallet. Usually you don't do that, but just imagine you lost your, I don't know, your mobile phone, your PC crashed down, is broken. So you need to make sure that the private key you saved is working. And now, because nothing happened, there are no coins on it, you can have a try now, a safe try. So we skip it. It's double sure. When you really want to erase it, yes, we want to erase it. Okay, so we see that frame again, and now you easily can import things. So we try to import the private key now. So that is really easy. You go here on import, and now it leads you to the place, or you can find the place where you stored it. So when we can go just to the place where we stored it. So it's here on my computers, where it should not be, because that's a test. It's easier for me to have access. You do double press and you see your private key is filled in. So that's really an easy way. You just go on, and here you come to your transport pin. 78. So the next, that's your pin code. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next, 1 2 3 4 5 6. And again, you are inside of your PLC wallet. So that was fine. My storage was good. Alright, so I think that was not too complicated, and I really think you can manage to do that as well. Just watch the video maybe a few times. That's what I did when I first saw a video tutorial about that in German. And yeah, well, If you need help, you just talk to your sponsor, to the person who gave it to you. I'm sure he or she will help you. So that was the first video tutorial about how to download the PLC desktop wallet for Windows. And there will be more, or there are more tutorials coming up about how to buy business packs, for example. We will see each other or hear each other for the other tutorials. So have a great day and bye bye.